Yo, what is good? What is good, guys? So we had some crazy news happen, you know what I mean? Overnight. Not overnight, but pretty early in the morning. We also had news at 9 a.m., which were pretty high, man. Looks like we fucking went and we pumped up pretty good, right? Market open at 8:30. We went up, fucking capped all the way fucking down, right? Mm, we could perhaps just see us keep going down. That could definitely be a possibility too. We're gonna be looking for something. We got 5 minute right there. 15 minute. We're also on one. Yeah, 1 minute. Sort of. Yeah. So we could be looking for some shorts, right, or continuation. Maybe just a pullback is what we could be looking at right now. We could also just be looking at us full on reversing, right? Definitely see a good fucking buying pressure down there. So yeah, could be a little bit of both right there. Definitely gonna be waiting to see something later on. Or if we pass up this fair value gap, we could. I just want us to pull back a little bit. Yeah, volatile day. Thank goodness because of news. I did wait a little bit, guys, just because I was like, fuck, bro. Nah, I'm tired. I've been up since like 6:30. I just wanted to wait a little bit till like all this shit kind of cleared up. So I didn't hop on exactly at 9. Mistake me. Yeah, that's the plan right now, guys. Ready for a little bit of a pullback, and then yep, we should enter in some longs. That'd be right here or right here. Damn, fucking pumping, guys. Pump, pump, pump. See if we could have got anything cat down there. I think I would say maybe there's a little bit of a pullback right here, but we could have caught right there, right? Tap back into some fair value gap, this 1 minute fair value gap range. But yeah, we definitely didn't want to trade it. I didn't want to trade it, right? I want us to keep, kind of see where we would head in, what kind of direction. And yeah, we passed up this fair value gap. Passed up the 15 minute one too. Yeah, we should definitely be looking to see a little bit of a pullback somewhere here. And longs would be nice. I need to get a fucking haircut, bro. That's what I need to get. Definitely, a haircut is definitely needed. Like right here is where we would probably enter at, right? Bottom of the zone. So we go right here. I'm gonna get right we get in right here at the bottom of the zone, we could definitely go in with 4 cons, risking 155. But that's if we get in at the bottom. If we get in right here, we probably go in like 3 cons in the middle of our zone, so we could risk a little more up here. But yeah, if we get it down here, ooh. Get like a little pinch down here, or a little 1 minute engulfing down there. Perfect. That's what we would be looking for. See how what we're looking like on 1 minute. 1 minute, pretty good. Turn off this fan, dude. I'm fucking freezing out here. Ooh. This could just be our little bit of a pullback too. Definitely an option right there as well. Oh yeah, definitely an option, bro. Right there, a little bit of a pullback could be tapping into here. Yes, it's still in this fair value gap range on the 5 minute and 15 minute. So broke it. Oh. Oof, we tapping it here, man, bro. Probably what we're gonna be looking at is like this. If we tap into Europe up there. What's up, Ricky Trader, bro? What is up? Have you taken anything so far, man? Crazy market so far. Not like crazy in a bad way, but just like volatility is really, really good, man. Love that about this. It's a little bit of a weird direction we have going on here. Engulfing would be fucking nice right here, though. Huh. Guess we'll just be waiting. 0 for 3, bruh. For 3. Let's just also that one's oversized. Ooh. Yeah, dude, what's it called? Definitely, yeah. Dudes was fucking crazy today, bro. I'm. It was pretty expected though for me, bro. Like this is why I kind of waited like all the way up until here. I'm still waiting to like 9:30, right? Just so I can get it better. You know what I mean? Just so we can kind of like get rid of all this fucking volatility. You know, it is good. I just want to get rid of it. It was a GDP today though, bro. GDP days are crazy volatile, man. Definitely try to stay away from it unless you do short it. You know what I mean? You can always short it or long it either, ahead or above, bro. But yeah, definitely try to stay away from GDP days. I'm trading before then. Look at this. Even before, dude. Look at this dump right here. 7:30. Fucking yanked right through it, dog. It's all right though. It's all right. Are you going to be trading your other accounts of that today? Or you're calling it a day right now? All right, yeah. So right here, guys, probably what we would be seeing. Look at this, bro. Perfect, but still gonna trade this one working. Yeah, bro. Yeah, you got it, bro. Just fucking stick to your rules. You feel me, bro? You got it. You got it, bro. Um, and I'm still waiting, bro. I'm trying to find some type of something here, bro. Only thing I could think of is if we tap back into here, bro. Since we did melt through it, this would be an ideal long, right? So honestly, if we get like right here, this would be a good long. So we melt through. It's like a little bit of a golden zone. I'm pretty sure I've talked about it before. So this would be like an ideal long, or even right here. If we just tap back into this top of Arizona up here, definitely be able to see a long for me. But yeah, dude, yeah, crazy move right here. If you would have caught that 9, there's a little. I mean, like I said, I don't really use SMTs, but I will look at them a little bit. There's a little one right here. There's 1, 2 on ES 855 to 9. So I'm sure Sauce, my boy Sauce, probably caught this one right here. Just need to have a little bit of a pullback, man. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. A little bit of a pullback action. We're going to enter in on this. get some light in here. Some more light. There we go. That's my shoes right there. Chilling. Yeah. Look for a little bit of a pullback. Definitely would love to see us pull back into this zone right here. I'm not gonna answer in short. I'm just saying where would be at, guys. Dude, look at us. We got fucking hit. Okay. Okay. Definitely gonna be at the top of the zone. Not probably in the middle. Damn, crazy move. Okay, well, we broke structure to the upside for sure. ES still hasn't broken structure. We could probably short ES since we got you up. Ooh, could be nice. That'd probably be the snake zone right here. See, boom, right here. This is what we want. Oof. Does not want to go low, man. Does not want to go low. Damn, guys, might honestly be fucking patient ass day for us to find a really good entry. Honestly, what it might be looking at for today, definitely. We're about to cross up this little bit. So we're basically going to cross this right here barely on ES. We're like getting near it. We're about like 30 ticks away from it. I'll say about 40 now. Yeah, we're about like 30 to 50 ticks away from tapping into this top on ES. Patience, bro. I feel like I'm moving the move so bad right here, but there's literally no way for me to get in. No pullback, steady climb up, steady climb up. Look at this. Steady climb up. There's literally no where I got in. Should be like New York session right here, guys. Yeah, we definitely be seeing a little bit of a reversal down here. Up here. Back down. Check Discord, you said? Check the phone on this right now. Yeah, definitely don't FOMO, bro. I know. I feel the same way, rookie trader, bro, where I just like want to be like, fuck, let's get in. Definitely don't do that, man. You got it. Just hold strong. Oof, I see what you're saying, Rupert. Definitely see what you're saying. I'm saying the same thing right there. We both got the little same. Yeah. If we do go up, either we short up here or we long it down here. Stay patient, rookie, bro. You got it, bro. Literally, fucking, you wait 5 minutes, 10 minutes, however long you need to wait, bro. And look, you're like, fuck. Like, dude, I did it. Patience wins the game, bro. FOMO might get you a couple wins, right? Here and there. I mean, definitely, right? It's like you're gambling, bro. You get that FOMO, like, oh shit, let me get in. Not worth it, bro. I'd rather have a secure win than fucking get lucky in a win. Okay, possible pullback right here. Be lovely right here, bro. We're gonna get rid of this because we're not gonna touch this. Looks like we're gonna be having a little bit of a pullback action. Perfectly fine. Did your cousin trade? I don't know, Rupert. I don't know if he has traded. I'm pretty. If he did trade, bro, I'm pretty sure he would have caught this right here. If he did trade something, I'm pretty sure he caught this. Or probably he was shitting, dude. But yeah, this is a trade I do think he would have caught down here at 1 minute. What are you, Rupert? Have you taken anything yet, or no? Definitely want this pullback to happen, man, so we can all get in and get rich together. But yeah, this pullback's gonna be good, man. If we do have one, I don't give them to people. What's hmm. There we go. There we go. What we needed, right? Definitely what we needed. We just need to keep going lower. I do like this. I do like it. Copy trading? Nah. I'm not copy trading, bro. I only have one funded account right now, which is this one. So this is my only account I do have. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Breaking your rules and winning fucking sucks, dude. I mean, not fucking sucks. Like, you will get lucky, and that's just, you know, gets you out of your whole fucking playing. Your whole rules that are like, okay, well, my rules don't matter if I find this. My rules don't. You know what I mean? Definitely a lot better just to stick to your rules. You know what I mean? Be consistent with it, and yeah. I mean, who knows? I mean, you could obviously see something real quick 1 minute, but for sure, like, this is why journaling's good, right? You gotta have a reason why you entered in on this, right? Oh, I entered because I saw this, I saw this. Why is price not moving on my NQ chart? What the fuck? Oh, bro. TopStep, bro, you're killing me. TopStep is killing me. A little bit of an engulfing though. It does look like we got some buying pressure down here, but definitely don't think it's gonna be sticking for us. It's gonna pull us back lower. Water. This could be setting off this fair value gap. Boom. Solid fair value gap right there though. 5 minute, 15 minute. Good. There we go. Keep dropping us. I don't think VWAP on 1 minute should hold that much. We might be seeing a little bit, but I doubt it. There we go. Use this. Oh god. So right there, 4 cons, right here, 3 cons. We got it, man. Keep dumping us a little bit. We tapped into the 5 minute fair value gap on ES, bro. Which is down here on ES somehow. But I'm lying. Right there on ES. But there's no fair value gap here. Oof. Damn. Patient day, bro. It's already about to be 10 a.m. We still haven't taken a trade. I was watching all this go down, bro, at this time. I fucking woke up bright and early for some fucking reason. I was like, fuck. So let's see. Let's look at these charts, right? I was I was telling my cousin, I was like, bro, if we long it down, I was like, low key, longing it right here, bro. I said, yeah, like somewhere right here, like it could be good. Wait, no, I'm lying. This is still New York. Okay. I was talking about, I think, longing it somewhere like here, bro. Right here on this one. And it ended up did hitting, and we were talking about it. He was like, bro, are we saying like, you better not text me tomorrow? I'm saying, bro, I should have longed. Low-key, I should have though. Okay, fucking, I don't know what the fuck's happening right now. It looks like we're fucking, got some Eddie candles going on here. Could definitely see a possible short up here though. Yeah, this is fucking insane work we got going on now. Dude, we were fucking right here and we just full on flipped. Ugh. Engulfing, VWAP touch, inspection. Respect. What am I saying? Inspection, respect. Definitely seeing something here just because kind of basically slice right through it. So where's the other part of the wave? TopStep definitely needs to fix this platform, bro. Whenever you go back to 1 minute, it's like, what the fuck? So where's the rest of the candle? Definitely need to fix this, bro. It's about to show in like 5 seconds. Here we go. We get the rest of the candle there. What the fuck? And then it just disappears on 5. Yep, still disappears on 5. You going in? What you mean, like gonna take a trade? Nah, not just yet, man. We're waiting for something up here. We're gonna wait for a retracement back down here to go long. So yeah, those are my only 2 trades right here. I'm not gonna trade this. You could trade this, I mean, but it's just not something where I feel confident in. So I'm definitely gonna take this. There's not a lot of confluences, which I mean, like, there's not a lot of reasoning for me to enter in right here and like kind of, you know what I mean? Basically tell me like, okay, like this is why I entered now. So we're kind of chopping around here. Definitely not gonna wait until we get up here or here and wait for a good setup. And then yeah, we're gonna be entering in. Ooh, rough day yesterday though, man. If you tuned in, bro, look at this. Rough day, bro. So we've been pretty good, man. You know, losses on Thursdays, bro. We lost 621. This should have been my biggest day, bro. Highly upset about that. We could have made like probably for sure 1.2K this day. We just sold pretty early on both of my trades. At least we were up. This day, we had a zone messed up. I had journaled it in the Discord. You know, like what went wrong,
and like, but some of it was just odds, bro. You know, chances were my odds were pretty good. We just fucking lost. You know what I mean? That's completely normal. No trade is 100%, which is something you got to understand too. But yeah, I definitely could have been better on that day yesterday if I would have made these zones. Because we were chopping around this one zone, right, in particular, which I took a trade off of. I'll go ahead and show you. Go back. So yeah, I think this was the other day, right here, right. So before this, it was just one big red zone right here, right, right here, right. I ended up changing it right to this zone right here. Multiple zones, boom and boom. Yeah, so we were respecting this one pretty heavily. This one we kind of chopped through, you know what I mean? Kind of. So yeah, we definitely got. We just ended up having another zone right here. This is like one of the main zones right here. Zones like these are all pretty stacked up on each other though. It's something where it's like, ooh. But yeah, we could definitely take this since we did kind of flood through it, which would be my confluence, right? 15 minute, I guess you could say there is a fair value gap, 15 minute. Which kind of backs it up. Not really, man. I use fair value gaps too. Yeah, okay, like this is also a little bit of a reasoning. Right now, it does look like we're respecting the zone, so I do think we're going to be going up here. But yeah, we've been kind of choppy around the last, 5, 10, 15, 20 minutes. Last 20 minutes, we've been kind of choppy. So we could for sure expect a little bit of a right here. ES still hasn't taken out that previous high we made on the 5-day, which is right here. ES still hasn't broken this basically. I'll go ahead and show y'all my other chart as well. This is my MES chart, right? This is my NQ chart. There we go. Keep going down, man. Definitely look at all these mixed feelings, right? Fucking engulfing, right? To the upside, you know, retested it, held it, just starts to flood back down. Pretty choppy PA. If we look at 1 minute too, let's look at 1 minute. Yeah, you see, definitely doesn't know where it wants to go. No problem with waiting, bro. No problem. We'll just close this, bro. Puts under. Damn, patient ass day we're having today, guys. Feel it in my bones. Probably just wait until after 10, and then it's probably gonna be a little bit more clear. Just waiting for that 1 hour candle to close. What is what it looks like. All right. Boom, boom. Damn, bro, look at this. Ugh.
We're getting fucking played out right now. Well, anyways, I guess we'll just scroll through some reels or something, man. Until then, see if there's any news going on right now. Just check Twitter. Regards of this negative print GPFs. This was the best negative print for GPFs. Okay, let's talk about the downtrend. This is insane price action right now. We've had the what since 9:30. Yeah, nothing really new, bro. Every stock was pretty much red for the day as soon as it opened up in New York. Tesla, Nvidia, fucking Apple was down barely. Uber, Amazon was down 3.6%. Tesla was down 5%. My goodness. Google down 2.3. Meta 3.7 basically. So S&P stocks. Okay. Technology. Yeah. For the most part, technology was down. Communication services were pretty down too. Consumer cyclical. I don't even know what that means. Ugh. Basically, a lot of stocks were down today. Okay. Let's text the chat, bro. If you've seen anything. You got 2 more minutes. I'm sure it's gonna clear by 10, dude. 2 more minutes. $26. Okay. Yeah. Well, we did just hit that 1 hour mark. 1 hour candle. Just like that. Yep. Be waiting. We will be waiting. Okay. We got something in here now. A little bit of a zone. Perfectly fine. Alright, so where we could be looking for a trade right here. Finally. Finally. We're going to push that to the side. Definitely wants to keep going a little bit higher. Just get a pinch down here. That's some fucking weird ass movement. Mm. probably right here after this morning, after this candle. If we do stay underneath here, definitely could be us entering in right there, right? Definitely just wants to stay right here. Yeah, a little bit of engulfing. I know it's a little bit of a chop, right? But if we hold the zone down here, I think we would be pretty good. We will be pretty good. This one, since we do have ticks, since we are down here, we would be entering in 3 micros just because I do want to risk 200 ticks for this. But yeah, we could definitely be waiting for this. Right there. Wait for this. Oh, what's my thing on? Wanted to hear that border field. But yeah, we entered right here. It's a little bit of a rejection right there, right? We entered off this engulfing, right? Want us to tap back into the zone. We did. We're gonna be risking 200 ticks right there. Yep. I'm gonna leave it like that, man. Definitely will be going right there. So first trade in, definitely gonna let this ride out. And then we're gonna wait till down here. This would be our second trade. We're our TP set. We're looking for another setup down there. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You're getting some good action right here. I guess not. I did love these pinches though. Pinches looked amazing. Probably gonna give it 20 more minutes to find some. If not, I'm gonna just have to call it with an L on the day. That's perfectly fine, bro. Yeah, I mean, fuck, if you don't find anything, yeah, don't try to force anything. Yeah, I took this trade off of just bro rejection. This is a good zone, right? We fucking kind of see this pretty good. Only thing I am worried about, we tap into here, bro. Right, tap here, get a little bit more up here, go lower. Honestly, bro, I'm fine with my position. Pretty good short. Did love it. You know, pretty weird market right now. So it's like market conditions are kind of it, but I'm following my short. I like it. Definitely see why I took it. You know what I mean? And yeah, we should be waiting, bro. Look, golf in 1 minute. Boom. Kind of, don't want to hop into it. Then yeah, we should be seeing lower. Should doesn't mean we are. But yeah, chances of us going lower are pretty good right here.
We're at the top of the zone right now. Honestly, looking back at it, I mean, yeah, pretty good, right? But try catching the top. We didn't really break any fucking, you know what I mean? Break to the downside, but yeah, I mean, I like it. I like it. We'll see, dude. We'll see. Definitely a we'll see kind of trade. I did like this though. End off with a pinch. I would love that though. Pinch candle at the very top of our zone would be perfect. Ugh. Might have took an L on this trade, guys. It's alright. Well, we got how much time we got to this 5 minute close? We got like 2 minutes, right? A minute and a half or something like that. Yeah, a minute and a half to this 5 minute closes. Oof, don't do it to us. Don't do it to us, charts. Very close to our stop loss right there, guys. Very, very close. This candle closes in a pinch, bro. I'm telling you, fucking gold mine right there. right here, engulfing, pretty solid, bro. Just had a little bit of a chop, 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 chop. There we go, give it to us. There we go, pinch candle at the top. Love the odds, engulfing right then and there too. Very, very scary trade. But from this, man, we definitely love to see this, right? Increases our odds of winning this trade. Just like I told y'all, bro, this is definitely all about fucking probability and shit, right? Find a way, find a strat that works. Gets your chances pretty good. Not every trade's gonna be 100%. Definitely do love that though. Only thing I would say is I entered really, really down early. I just like the way what I was saying, right? Engulfing right there. It's all, a little bit of chop. Boom. Yeah, we tap back into it, right? We started chopping right here. Boom, boom, boom. That's why I entered. Definitely just need this flood all the way down now. Very looking scary right now. Looking very scary. Fish looks so nice though, man. Looks so nice. Whoop. We might be cooked. Definitely might be cooked. Oh shit, what's up guys? I wasn't even looking at chat, I just tapped in right now. Might go higher. Yeah, could go higher, Basin. Is bullish gonna take him out? Yeah, might be.
Order filled.
Market structure looking for 5. We got taken out right there, guys. This is what it's looking like on 5 minute, right? 5 minute. You got 15, and then 30 minute. Definitely not guessing white feather, bro. Definitely not guessing. I like the zone. Usually, whenever my strat is usually whenever we glide right through it, right, which we did, right. Didn't really have much of a, you know what I mean? Yeah, boom, boom, boom. What am I saying? But yeah, I definitely this is one of my zones that I wanted to short on, and what we had kind of bit of a chop. We started holding it right. I do supply and demand, so my strat may not make sense to you. Makes sense to me, right? Right there, started chopping underneath the zone. That's what I took it off of. So just a small L today. Don't worry about it. Yeah, definitely, bro. Definitely. We've been pretty good, dude, honestly. Just these last 2 days, we've been selling bad. This is what it's looking like, guys. So, yeah, definitely that's what it's looking like. Yeah. Yeah, we're just going to be waiting for another trade, bro. We're definitely going to be waiting. We took fucking an hour to take this trade. So, yeah, patience. Definitely don't think all my trades are going to be 100%, man. So, some trades might look dumb to y'all, bro. That makes sense to me. Really just trade your own strat, bro. If you like it, take it, bro. All right, this time, yeah, we're gonna be waiting. Definitely fucking. Let's see, 15 minutes. 15 looks like all right. What we could be saying. Honestly, yeah, man. Only thing we would be wanting is just a little bit of a pullback, right? And then we'd probably go long again. But we would probably want us to pull back into one of these zones right here. This is a zone that I would want us to pull back into. We might pull back into it later in the day, perhaps. But yeah. I mean, hey, it works sometimes, White Feather, bro. But to each their own for sure, bro. Definitely didn't guess though. Liked what I was saying, bro. But yeah. Let's see. Although, guys, we did lose this trade, right? We could for sure see a little bit of, buying pressure right here, but we could just flood all the way down too. This is a good zone for us to flood all the way down. Probably just enter, you know what I mean? Bottom of the zones when you're shorting, bro. Entering on those zones is kind of iffy, bro. And that's what we did. I think that's kind of the only reason which I would say, which wasn't as like an A+ setup. We did enter at the bottom of the zone, which kind of sucks. But yeah. Right now, we should be waiting to see a good setup form somewhere, and then we're capitalizing on that, man. Can you elaborate on what you saw? What made you want to take that trade? Yeah, for sure, bro.
So right here, right, we glided through it, right. That's kind of like a thing that I've seen in the past, right, which is my side of supply and demand, right. Usually when we got through a zone, we'll go ahead and retest it back up again, right, and then we'll reverse off of it. We call that like a golden zone. They're not like, I don't draw them golden, but that's kind of like our vocabulary for it. Then we went ahead and looked at 5 minute, 15 minute, right, 15 minute, huge fair value gap, right, and the zone's in there, right. Doesn't mean fair value gaps is not something like I'm like, oh shit, bro, fair value gap. Let's just straight up enter off that. Nah, right? So I was like, okay, but this is definitely like a confluence of mine, right? So we waited for that to be hit. I was like, okay, right? We were kind of slow on the way up. Whenever we were slow on the way up, we could be seeing potential reversal too. So we waited, right? Like, okay, we're in the zone, right? I was looking at it all day. I was like, okay, definitely want to short this, but we were waiting for a good setup. This, right, all looks good for longs, right? Like, boom, boom, we're steadily holding my zone, right? I'm like, okay, we're holding, okay, boom, right here, right? Love this, right? Engulfing is something that I do take. A lot of, I know a few people do take them, not a lot of people like taking them, right? So I saw this, I was like, okay, I want us to retap back into the zone, right? And then we're going to flood all the way back down. We just ended up not happening. We've taken this in the past and it's worked. That's how we obviously got this funded, bro. I'm not telling y'all I'm fucking profitable by any means, bro. Definitely not telling y'all I'm profitable. But that's something that I do use. And that is why I entered. But yeah, I would say, also though too, bro, we definitely didn't break any type of structure, right? Any type of structure for us to be saying, to the downside, which is probably what you're saying, like, oh, okay, well, bro, it's obviously like we have a broken structure. Very reasonable, bro. Yeah, definitely reasonable. I usually just try to catch the tops, bro. The tops are reversals, the bottoms are reversals, and that's what we tried. It didn't work. Perfectly fine, bro. We're respecting this EMA is what it looks like too, bro. We're just kind of fucking going up from there, and then yeah, like I said, bro, not every trade I'm gonna take is gonna be 100%, right? So yeah, but we're gonna be waiting for another setup, just like I told y'all, bro, before. What about you, White Feather, bro? You sound pretty knowledgeable, man. You on any fundies or evals, bro? How long have you been trading? What kind of strat do you use? Do you use like TJR strat, ICT, bro? There's a whole bunch of strats, so I'm kind of curious what you trade, man. Maybe supply and demand too. Kind of would have been close right there.
Took it off that. Still would have got stopped out, I'm sure. Alright, you see? What did I tell y'all, bro? You could just wait to the top of the zone. Alright, let's see. Good downpour right here. So look at us breaking down. Okay, guys, so it ended up playing out a little bit. Not really playing out. Entered way too early, but I mean, for the looks of it, does look like we're fucking respecting it. Definitely gonna be waiting for it. I kind of don't want to re-enter on this. I usually don't. If we do find a good setup, we definitely will. I do like that 5 minute. That 5 minute looks amazing. Okay. Like I say, usually, yeah, I've actually never tried that, man. So yeah, I don't even know how the market looks like for that. So you've been pretty good though since you've been trading for a year. Okay. Have you been profitable? I'm guessing, right, since of that because of that mentor. Or nah, how's it been looking like for you? So we could be targeting right there. All right, man, that's solid. But have you been like profitable? Is what I'm asking, or nah? I know it takes a long time, bro. Definitely takes a long time. But since I'm sure you're paying for a mentor and all that. Has that been working out for you and all that? Been hearing like a lot of stories, man. Like fuck that, don't buy no mentors. But I mean, I'm sure there's some good mentors out there. Oh man, 2 minutes up there. Crazy move. Yeah. Gotta stop. I pretty much had a break in for my whole trading. Blew my first account about a month ago. That's gold for you. It's because we trade no stop loss. No stop loss is insane. What's my background? That's my bed, bro. I would say pretty new. Pretty new. Trading institute. Well, not really new. I mean, I have some type of experience underneath my belt, but definitely not profitable yet, man. This is my second funded. We brought the account up to 1.8K. What, Monday, Tuesday we were down, and today we're down one trade. Definitely, we're waiting for another setup. It usually take about 2 to 3 trades a day. Sometimes I could just be taking one, man, if I'm really that up. But hey, wife had no stop loss is fucking crazy, dude. I don't know how, but if it works, man. Years I've been trading for about, I would say right now, looking at the charts every day, a year, definitely a year. Yeah, only futures. I was on options a lot before then, man. I would that was like what I first started on, right? I think like I would say the first month I was on options, and it was like Greeks were pretty crazy, man. Like definitely didn't like how if I was stuck in consolidation, I would lose money, right? This is when I first, was learning shit, bro, like my first month. So I wouldn't even really say like, oh, dude, I knew what I was doing. Definitely didn't know what I was doing. I would say I definitely didn't even like realize what I was doing, bro, until about like month 6. I was like, okay, we got the strat down, right? I mean, right now it's all about fine tuning it. Motions definitely have been a lot better this go around, right? But yeah, dude, I've been trading for about like I would say like a year. First video I've seen was in 2024 January or 2023 like late December 28th, right? Have you checked out Forex commodities more consistent price action? I have not, man. I have not. I low key just want to stick to futures, get this down. And who knows? Maybe I'll fiddle around commodities or some shit. But yeah, definitely only want to trade this for now. So White Feather, you've been trading for a month, I'm guessing, or what? Pretty much break even for my whole trading journey. You blew your first account a month ago, so you've been trading for what? 2 months? Or what, a month? That would definitely be. It looks like we're supporting this, right? So we could for sure see a uphill from here. If we don't see anything by like 11:30, we're gonna call it a day in the AM session, and we're probably gonna look back at it in the PM session since today we're gonna take a little bit of a rest day. My strat is basically based off of supply and demand. I do use a fair value gaps in a way, right? And so fair value gaps, supply and demand, and yeah, bro, that's pretty much it. Supply and demand. What about you, Milo? What's your strat? Supply and demand price action. Yeah, dude, fucking solid, bro. I feel like definitely supply and demand is the way, bro. Supply and demand. Price action, you just mean by like breakup structures and all that, I'm guessing too? Or what do you mean by price action? Looking rough. Each candle has price action. So candles themselves along with structure. Oh, each candle has price action. Order flow. Okay, okay. How long have you been trading for, man? Have you been profitable lately or not? You kind of like break even for now is what you would call yourself. So this could have been good for a long two right here. Dude, 4+ years, bro. That's insane, man. Congrats. You're profitable, dude. Yeah, fucking clap it up, bro. Fucking good shit, man. I'm glad you made it, man. I know there's like some people, that do trade for, a few years and just don't see anything. They just quit, bro. But I'm glad you're fucking profitable, bro. That's definitely some good shit right there, man. I'm not gonna lie. That's definitely what we're all chasing, right? So fucking congratulate you on that for sure, man. It's insane. Not insane, but you know what I'm saying? Like it's like good shit, dude. Good shit. How do you like it now, man? Like your life of profitability, I guess, since you've been up for a year and a half. You said you've been profitable. You feeling different or not, man? Like you still work or anything like that, or not? You kind of just like still working, but you do this on the side also. Yeah, facts, bro. That's definitely what I've been preaching to a lot of people too, man. Like, there's literally no way you can fail. Yeah, just like you said, unless you give up, bro. Unless you're like, you know what, this ain't for me. Like, if you do this shit every single day, bro, you hop on the chart, take smart trades, of course, all right. There's literally no way it could be like, oh yeah, dude, I'm not good at it. Like, you're gonna end up getting good, just like anything else. You're gonna learn. You're not gonna be the best musician after like a few months. You're definitely gonna take a little bit. It's boring, really, if you are doing it the right way. I'm not worth 7 figures, but I haven't been working. I'm not worth 7 figures, but I haven't been working for over a year now. Hey, I mean, fucking, I'm sure that's eventually gonna come though too, bro. Like, you've been profitable for a year. That shit's eventually gonna come, and I'm sure you're probably gonna size up. I mean, you know a lot more than me, bro. So I don't know. I mean, you've been doing this for 4 years. You say you're profitable. I'll tell you definitely know a lot more than me. So you got a plan, bro. Stick with it. Definitely stick with it. I plan on to hopefully prove to myself that I can get a payout on this account, right? Stick to the same trades I've been taking, right? We can always adjust, you know what I mean? I'm definitely, fucking, if I find something, different, the same, something along my strat, bro, definitely apply that to my arsenal, right? But yeah, no, just like I said, bro, my previous ones too, like I definitely don't think every day is going to be a winning day. I think, fucking, I might have a losing week, bro. Who knows, right? But I mean, we've been pretty consistent this whole month, so we're hoping for a good outcome out of it. I appreciate it, man. Yeah, definitely, bro. You said a swing trade, so maybe I execute 5 times a month. Oh, yeah, okay. Wait, so like, do you like trade every day, or is it like you're saying you swing trade for 5 times a month? So like, you like hold it for like a couple of days, or like how does that work? I don't really know much about swing trading, bro. So like, that's why I'm asking. Oh, looks like we really want to fill this zone right here. Profitability on a self funder. I look for entries by the week and hold for days to the week next. Damn, bro. That's crazy. I've heard of some people that actually do that though. So fucking insane, bro. I've definitely never looked into any of that though. Like I said, maybe later, bro. But I definitely want to focus on this type of strat. I'm sure that swing trading could definitely be used for. I mean, I've seen like there's a couple of people in my OG Discord, right? Not my Discord, but my boys' Discord. There's this guy that's like I don't want to say his name, bro, but yeah, now he used to do day trading like this, and then now he just swing trades, and he be at work, bro, just like just like doing like he works for, I don't know where he works at, but he works somewhere in the office, right? And then like every once in a week or like once in a month, bro, he just send us pictures of him swing trading something, like holding a trade forever, and like, hey guys, look. We're like, what the fuck? So yeah, definitely swing trading is also another good way, man. Close on a Friday at the end of New York session. All just looking for plays on the hour before hour to man. Okay. Damn, okay, man. Dude, that's solid, bro. Solid, solid, solid. Did you end up buying like a mentor and all that too, man, or did you end up learning all this on yourself too? Because like my thing is, man, YouTube's free. Everything's up on here. If y'all really wanted to learn, look at different videos. You know, I'm not saying everyone's fucking right, but you can definitely find some good YouTubers, bro, that actually post some good, some good strats, or just for y'all beginners to learn from. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wait. So like you bought a mentor, or you ended up shout out Swaggy C. Oh, okay. That's your mentor right there. Solid, solid. Yeah, bro. I mean, my thing is, bro, if you could definitely find it on YouTube, it's free. Like, there's so much free stuff out there. Y'all definitely just gotta look. But if y'all are like very structural and want something planned out, then yeah, a mentor could definitely be y'all's option. Just be careful with that structure. Okay, yeah, that's solid, bro. Yeah, that's solid, dude. Right here, 7:30, 7:30. Bro, I feel like everyone got into like day trading during the COVID time, bro. I was still fucking playing ball, bro. I had no idea anything about this, but yeah, I've definitely seen like a whole bunch of fucking people, bro, that got into it during COVID. Supposedly, like that was like the golden time, to really get into. I mean, like to be honest, like what you're always at home, bro. Like you know. So yeah, like I've seen like a whole bunch of like profitable people that got in during that time. This no one's holding, dude. It's just fucking chopping around here, though. Get all this chop. No hate wife there. I swear I'm not hating, bro, but I think I'm good. I'm not gonna lie, bro. I think I'm pretty good. Hey, but like, if it works for y'all, bro, I'm just definitely gonna stick to my strat, stick with it. But yeah, my 30-minute chart looks like I usually don't chart off the 30 minutes, bro. This is what we're looking like. Go ahead and zoom out of it right there. We definitely got a whole bunch of fucking zones right here. I know whenever we had that fucking basically not like a recession, but when we dumped all the way down, bro, I was charting off the 30 minutes to get all my zones from like what a year ago. That's usually what I did do for the 30 minutes, but yeah, bro, this is what the charts are looking like. Look for buys. Yeah, yeah, I can definitely see buys, bro. Definitely see it. That's what I was waiting for earlier, man. I was looking for a retracement back down here. I'll go ahead and show you. I was looking for a retracement back down here, right? Definitely what I was looking for. Right? I was like, okay, we're so close. Wants to retrace back down here. I was finna long. We just never did, bro. But yeah, I was looking for shorts when we got up here. Damn, looks like we're flooding up right now. You're above EMAs. You sweat liquidity. Okay. Hey, but White Feather, definitely wish you luck, man. I hope all y'all get there. Matter of fact, bro. But yeah, definitely like strats. Every strat works as long as y'all know how to use it. But yeah, we are definitely up above the EMA. I use the 9 EMA. Yeah, right here, right. This is what I'm guessing. What you're saying that it retested it. Yeah, I was looking at this too. I was like, yeah, I guess, yeah, I kind of basically retested it right there. Lower time frames. Yeah, I'm pretty sure you're talking about this zone, right? let's lock in here. Sorry, I'm not in. Look at this. Yeah. Interesting. Why don't you post some content, Kilo or Milo? I mean, or is that like really like not for you? Or you gonna like post your trades? I'm not saying like oh shoot like this is all basically for my journal course. You know, I do think it's pretty badass though. Like if I could help someone along the way, it's definitely would be a badass way. But yeah, man, like you be posting too or nah, man? I think that would be pretty cool, man. Like you say, you're profitable. I think a lot of people would love to see that, but I mean, if you don't really want to, brother, then yeah, I mean, I guess that makes sense since you do be holding it for quite a bit. Oh, okay, on your Discord. Okay, I get it. Right now, you said looking for shorts. I mean, we could be right. I'm definitely not like saying, oh shoot, let's enter some shorts. But the reason I was looking for shorts around here is because it was a good zone. We look at what 5 minute, right? It's previously a demand zone, right? We saw underneath it. We went up, so this was like a good area for me to short. This is why we end up shorting. Bullish order flow, you say? Yeah, true. I don't know, man. I'm gonna be looking for something though. I'm not gonna be looking at chat for a minute, guys. So excuse me, but I'll probably look at it in a little bit. Give me 1 second. All right.
Honestly, if we don't see anything in the next 12 minutes, we're gonna call it a day for the AM session. We're gonna come back for the PM session, like around like 1 p.m. It's a good zone hold right here, though. Yeah, market is pretty rough right now. I think we are going to call it a day for the AM session, guys. We're going to wait. We're going to look for PM, see if we see anything that's cleared up. We're definitely going to call it a day for now. So we're down what? We lost 1 trade right here off the short. But yeah, man, appreciate y'all watching. You see, you said this is the buy entry at 9:18. Stop loading, man. There's the buy entry at 9:18. Stop loading, man. I see what you're talking about. You're talking about this one right here. Okay, yeah, I can definitely see that, bro. Solid, yeah. Look at this, bro. We've just been fucking following trend all day. Basically, right? But yeah, solid, bro. But yeah, we're gonna call it a day. We're gonna look for something. Maybe something else in the PM. If not, we're gonna wait for tomorrow. Look for another setup. But yeah, man, this looks. This is what we're looking like for the week so far. So I can just go ahead and show y'all right now. See our win rate, man. Yeah, I think we were at like 65% or something like that. I think like 65% on Monday. We ended up dropping down a little bit. That's fine, bro. 50% win rate usually. I'm calm with that. I'm calm with that. Looking rough, man. Pretty rough, right? Break even. Boom, boom. L that day. Break even. Dub. L. Good day that day. Good day. It wasn't 6 trades. It was just that I was scalping a little bit. I took off like 1 trade. I mean, not 1 trade. I took off one of my cons off of this. That's why I said 6 trades. I'm pretty sure that was only like about 3 trades in there in that one. But yeah, we've been pretty consistent lately, dude. Yesterday was pretty bad. Today, shit just didn't end up going our way, which is perfectly fine, man. Perfectly fine. Nothing is ever going to be 100, just like I've been saying. But yeah, appreciate it, Milo, bro. Good luck with your trading journey, man. Good luck with you being profitable and everything, man. All right, y'all. I'm probably going to be back in